This morning, I wanted to work with you guys a little bit on combining expressions. Our textbook calls it adding expressions and subtracting expressions, but really it's the same thing. We're combining like terms that had been broken apart into two different groups. So let me give you an idea of how this shows up and how this works. In this example, we have the quantity 8x minus 7 plus the quantity 6x plus 8. To be honest, these parentheses are completely unnecessary. There's a positive sign between them, which means that everything that follows the positive sign can just stay how it is. So I could rewrite this 8x minus 7 plus 6x plus 8. Now we're just combining like terms like we've done before. Well, I have x's to the first power, and I have constants. So just like I showed you with combining like terms, I'm going to rewrite it for simplicity. 8x plus 6x minus 7 plus 8. 8 xylophones and 6 xylophones. I have a total of 14 xylophones. Negative 7 and positive 8 combine to just make a positive 1. So what we're doing really here is combining like terms, making sure that we're using the proper signs or for each of the quantities. On this next example, they might call this subtracting. All it means is that there's a negative sign in front of this parenthesis. That means that everything in this parenthesis needs to be the opposite of. So I'm going to rewrite 2x plus 5. The opposite of 4y is negative 4y. Distribute that again. The opposite of 2 is negative 2. And now I'm going to combine like terms again. So I have x's, no more. And I have y's, and no more of those. And I have two constants. Those will be like terms. Now, when we're writing expressions, we tend to go in alphabetical order, and we tend to go with the variable that has the highest exponent first. In this case, the highest exponent is a 1, and then we just go in alphabetical order. So I'm going to write 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 2, and I can finish simplifying that. 2x minus 4y plus 3. If they say rewrite the expression without parentheses, I still need you to simplify it all the way down. Simplifying expressions is a lot like simplifying fractions. We're not always going to tell you, we expect it. So just kind of a hint there. Now on this last one, we have one term, 13m, minus the difference of two terms, negative 9m minus 4. Well, we have a negative sign in front of the parentheses, so that we know that needs to be distributed to each of these terms. Now I'm going to rewrite. 13m, the opposite of negative 9m is positive 9m. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. Well, now I had 13 monkeys plus 9 monkeys. So I got 24 monkeys plus, I don't know, maybe there's 4 birds in the cage or something. 4 of something, that's a constant. And there's my simplified expression. Hopefully that helps and makes things really clear for you.